Oh man, okay. So last week I kind of chatted a little bit about how I was just getting over a cold, and yesterday was actually, well, not yesterday, September 30th was my birthday, and I got food poisoning. Luckily, it wasn't like super long or terribly awful. I mean, it was bad for like food poisoning. It is what it is. But oh my gosh, I just feel like I've been constantly sick, like all the time now. Anywho, so today, well, I'm supposed to be getting some new stickers to be able to make from home because I need to start getting busy making those stickers that I showed you last week, the Halloween themed stuff. And then I'm also need to start promoting those items because Halloween is very soon and I need to, it's just not enough time. You know, it's funny because I was talking to a vendor last week. Actually, okay. So I had a market on the 29th and it was bad. Like I didn't even make my booth, which is weird because the last time I did it, it went really well and it was just slow. It was just really slow, and sometimes markets can be that way and there's really nothing you can do or change anything about it if there's just not a huge attendance for people. Anyway, I don't know why, or maybe it was just me. I didn't really ask the other vendors to see how they were doing. Sorry, Zola is on my lap, so I've got a cat tail in my face right now. It was just really slow, and I'm not really mad about it. If anything, I'm like, well, I wish that was just a loss. And as a business, you're losing money, and that's never a good thing. And of course, I've got my husband who's saying like, you shouldn't do those anymore. But it just shows you that sometimes you never know. And I found out that I was accepted to the art market that's actually down south, but I'm probably going to say I can't do it because both my girls are going to be in a tournament that weekend of that market. And I think what I've got lined up is probably enough. And I need to do a post for what I'm going to be doing for the holiday season. But anyway, I am really close to being done. Last video I kind of started but I wanted to show it to you. If I can get it to focus. Let's see. It's almost done. So I think I'm just going to do the spiderweb part here. And then I'm going to peel, once I'm done layering some more dots, I will peel this off and do the big spiderweb on this side, and probably add some glitter on it. I did get some ornaments. There was some painting time where I didn't have you guys with me, which is fine. I did get some painting ornaments done. Let's see here, and then I've got my new glitter. This one I'm going to finish up. I think I'll just do some copper top dots and then be done with that one. And then I actually am pretty much done with my little tea light holder. Look at that. Nothing on the bottom. I'm gonna fix that, but pretty nice. I love it. All right, guys. So let's get to work while I am able to, because after this, I'm going to go volunteer at my daughter's school. So I think, so at a market, I had a friend who was next to me and we were just chatting about like all the things and social media and the stress of having to do all of that and run my business, and I'm still working full time. And she was just asking me like, how are you doing it? I honestly don't know how I'm accomplishing everything I am. I think in a week, maybe I could show you, at least I can show some of it, and just like the day-to-days when I'm not working. I don't know. That would be a good vlog to do. It was like a full week of what it looks like and what I do. I don't know if that'd be something you guys would be interested in, because a lot of it is personal life stuff, and I kind of want to keep this as like a studio vlog about art and business and all that stuff. But it's pretty amazing to me how much of my business that I'm not doing art. and it's mostly like admin stuff and making things and not so much painting. I don't know. Interesting. So, okay, I'm done blabbing now. Let's get to work. Hey, so I was just thinking that I would share. So I did something that's a little interesting. So I've got like a bottle cap, right? So actually, let me use one that doesn't have fresh paint on it. So just hold on a second. So the thing is, when you're painting, or at least these ones, I didn't really have an issue, but these ones I ordered, which is different than what I normally order. And when, hold on, let me put my little spin wheel. It is top heavy, right? And so I haven't had an issue where it's actually lighter, but obviously that's a problem, right? When I'm painting. So I don't have anything fancy and I don't have the funds to buy anything from somebody right now. So I just kind of did a little hack. And so what I'm probably going to do is shave this down. I have a Dremel, and I'm probably going to shave this down, and then what happens, and I actually don't have to do it right now. So it's just, this is sticky tack, right? Just like plain sticky tack that you can buy at the store. And what I do is I put it on the bottom of it like this. Sometimes you just have to make do with what you've got, because I do not have the money to, I know that there are products out there, there will soon be products out there that will work for that situation, but that's not an option for me. I have like no money right now on my business account. And then just like that, look, I mean, it's not completely like flat and even, but it will do the trick. it will do the trick. So if you see me painting, that's what's going on there. I think I'm you know what? I'm gonna go do it right now. See if I can shave some of it off. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Actually, I just took these things, which I have for like my jewelry making. I just took that and trimmed it just a little. Let me get my face out of it so you can actually see, maybe, because my camera always wants to track my face. So then I just put my little sticky tack there, right? Sticky tack. Now you can't see this, but I'll just show you. Look at that. Boom. That will do the trick. Sometimes you have to think outside the box. Eventually, I'd love to, because I've seen, her name is Jenna. She has like one where the ornament completely sits in it, finds the center. Yes, that would be great to purchase, but unfortunately I do not have the funds to do that. So I have to figure out another way with just basic things that I have sitting around the house. So that we are painting ornaments and doing that. So yeah, let's keep going. Hey friends, so this is going to be the end of this vlog this week. I know it's a little short, but I promise you next week it's going to be longer because I'm going to share a whole week of a part-time artist, which I don't know, you might like, you might not. Let me know what you think. If you could leave me a comment and share and, you know, do all the things to help me in the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. Let's do a secret word of think outside the box, and I will see you all next week.